Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your account on Microsoft Teams. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for Microsoft Teams and open the official website. Then, you will see the Microsoft Teams homepage. Over here, click on the Sign In button. After that, enter your account details to log in. Then go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo or initials. After that, click on the option labeled My Microsoft Account. Then you will be taken to your Microsoft account settings. Over here, click on the Your Info tab at the top of the page. After that, scroll down and click on the option that says Close Account. Then follow the on-screen steps and confirmations to delete your account. Carefully read each step, and if you're sure, confirm your choice. So that's basically how you can delete your account on Microsoft Teams. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.